Hi everyone, this is chon channel. Thanks for watching. Actually, my English teacher went back to his hometown. That's why I'm alone. It's okay. Today, I will introduce the clothes requested by my cross customer. Look at this dress. Oh, it's cute. She said she wanted to make this dress into shorts and sleeveless shirts. I'll show you this work now. First, I'll put a pattern I made in her size. I only made shorts for the pattern. The sewing allowance for the hem is about 2 centimeters. I want to put elastic in the waist, so I need 5 centimeters of seam allowance, but it's not enough. So I'll add 1 centimeter of sewing allowance and other fabrics. First, cut the part that will be used as shirts. Cut it diagonally for a unique design. And cut the shirts. It became like this. I cut the hem diagonally like this and add the purple fabric to the hem. I gathered the purple fabric. I temporarily fastened it to the hem. Now let's finish it with a sewing machine. Next is shorts. Sew the front and back pants together. Sew the crotch and the edge first. Turn only one side over. Lay it into one and sew the crotch. Add another fabric to the waist and put the rubber through. The hem is folded in 3 and sewed. I add another fabric like this. Put rubber in this part. in this part, the logo will be a ring. I saw it in the circle. Now it's done. First of all, shorts. Next is the sleeveless shirts. How was it? From now on, I will introduce the coordination on using these. Oh, this is a simple way of dressing. Okay. This is a casual dress. It's good. Yeah. Next, coordinate only shorts. Oh, it's nice. Next, coordinate only sleeveless shirts. It's cool. I love it. Which coordinator did you like? Please tell me the clothes you want to make. See you next time. Oh, we are looking for the next English teacher. Bye.